Welcome, listeners. Today, we delve into the backbone of any successful business, process and management. Let's kick off with corporate HR's role in training and development. Far from being glorified paper pushers, HR truly brings the magic. They're the wizards identifying training needs and designing and executing programs that arm your employees with the right skills and knowledge. To top it all off, they surround your staff with the resources and support they need to rock their roles. Quite impressive, I must say. Now, on the subject of time, you may be surprised to hear it's not lost in hours. Oh no, time slips away 1 minute at a time. It's a premium resource that deserves some high-class management. Pair that with process analysis, an ingenious tactical tool involved in breaking down and improving organization procedures, and you're onto a winning, efficiency-boosting combination. A process flowchart, basically a handy-dandy diagram, becomes your secret weapon to highlight improvement areas, spot redundancies, and ramp up efficiencies. Sounds nifty, doesn't it?